The Karnataka State Police, in collaboration with State Bank of India, Bangalore Unit, announced the second edition of the Karnataka State Police Run scheduled for Sunday, 9th March 2025. Launched in 2024 to commemorate 50 glorious years of the Karnataka State Police, this year's theme, Namma Police Namma Hemme, honors the unwavering dedication and service of the force in safeguarding the state. This year, the event is held in association with the State Bank of India, with Manipal Hospital serving as the medical partner, ensuring all aspects of the event are well supported. Scheduled for Sunday, 9th March 2025, the run will attract more than 10,000 participants across all age groups. The announcement was made during a press conference in the city, graced by the esteemed presence of Dr. Alok Mohan, IPS, Director General and Inspector General of Police and Head of Police Force, Karnataka State and SMT, Juhi Smita Sinha, Chief General Manager, SBI, Bangalore Circle.
As it was 15 years of our Karnataka State Commission. On the same lines, this year we are organizing the second edition of the same Karnataka Police Run on the theme of Safe City, Safe State, Drug-Free Karnataka, and several other themes. For the same event, today we are having the curtain raiser, and for this event, our State Head of Police Force, DG and IGP, Dr. Alok Mohan, has arrived here. I welcome him on behalf of all the participants here and also on behalf of the organizing committee of the Karnataka Police Run.
They will remain our sponsor for this particular police run. This police run is with a very specific intention is to promote the prevention and use of narcotics, as well as to spread awareness about the cyber crimes, how to prevent that. Also, a healthy lifestyle for all the people, everybody. Not only for policemen. We have taken up in police department a very big initiative of for healthy police force. We have got the BMI index done for all the 1,10,000 police force done in the whole state, and our aim is to bring every person who is not fit within the department to be the fit category. And all the police commissioners, deputy commissioners and the superintendents of police, they are working for that. Our endeavor is not only a fit police force, but our endeavor is a fitness for all. Every person, every citizen of the state should be fit, should be away from any type of addiction, which includes mainly the narcotics, to have a full control over cybercrime. For that, the awareness of the people is very important. If they are aware, they will not fall into the trap. Since unfortunately, people know that whatever is being offered on the to them in terms of any type of return on their money, which is excessive. So Mr. Nagaraj Adiga, he has been the main person who has been helping us in getting it organized. His organization is, they have been putting all the efforts to make the run successful. Last year we had almost 20,000 people getting enrolled for the run. This time I don't know, we have already reached the figure.
Still we are working on it.
So still the registration is open, still time is there, and I am very sure that this time we will exceed that number also.
Police and SBI employees will also.
All the police department and the SBI, all the employees and the staff, they will be taking part in this. This run is also unique. It is not only in Bangalore, all over the state, in all the district headquarters. This run is being organized, and the motto is same. The purpose is to bring awareness to the people about these issues. So there are prizes also, very attractive prizes prizes are there that we will tell in short time. Narcotics, keeping oneself fit, a healthy state where the citizens are not only healthy and prosperous, they are aware also about everything. So with that intention, we are doing this run and
Karnataka State Police Run, which is for the year 2025. And
This year we have to
last year we had seen enthusiastic participation from
Achha, okay.
everyone. This year we are expecting a larger number of people to participate. And the best part is that everyone, like right from youngsters to elderly people, they are participating in this run. And this gives us immense pleasure because that is how enthusiastic people of all age group are for fitness, which our police department here at Karnataka is promoting. Our partnership with the Karnataka State Police underscores our commitment to promoting fitness, community well-being and a healthier Karnataka. So, as I said, this increases the enthusiasm which is being displayed during this run. It reflects the growing awareness of fitness and social responsibility. And more than just a run, this event carries a powerful message promoting a drug-free Karnataka, raising cybercrime awareness and contributing to a greener Bengaluru. So the initiative itself is very welcome, and these initiatives, they are also aligned with our SBI's values of community welfare and holistic development. So in being a partner in this run, we find that our SBI's agenda is also being pushed through in a way. And we assure you, sir, that we'll be having a continued support for this, and our cooperation will take us to greater heights, because cyber security as such, the bank is also very, very particular. We are also having our own way of communicating to the public how to go about it, and we have also made short videos. We are distributing pamphlets to make the general public aware how to avoid getting into the trap of these cyber criminals, as well as those who are falling under digital arrest. There have been innumerable cases, I tell you, across India, where SBI, through their employees who are very, very aware about these things happening, they have been able to avoid such kinds of crimes and people being fleeced of their own money. So we are also actively participating in this, and this cause is very, very close to our heart. So thank you again, sir, for giving us this opportunity.